was this.
Right.
That
so
means low brake, just slow, a little bit brake or a lot of brake?
I'll go through that stuff with you right now.
Okay.
Okay, our systems are working. Foot on the brake, pull that paddle one time. You can go ahead and pull up behind the 49 car. So head toward those yellow cones, Dominic. All right, so you were just asking me about the yellow cones.
Yep.
At yellow, we lift.
Lift.
Then we go to the brakes at red. Okay, so lift at yellow, brake at red. If I'm pumping my fist, screaming like a little girl, more brakes.
More brakes.
No, there's only one really heavy braking zone. But those cars are going by us at 130 miles an hour. They can get up to 150 by the time they're braking. And then we heavy brakes down to about 35 miles an hour. Okay, so that's a pretty heavy braking zone. Okay. There's a bunch of other spots where you use your brakes, but not quite that much. So we have a few places where you just have red cones. We just need a little brakes. If we have a big braking zone, we start with the lift, then go to brakes. The other cones, the really critical ones, orange turn in, green apex. Okay. You're always driving 2 orange and a round green. When you get up to those orange cones, well, first of all, the cones tell you which side you should be on driving, right?
Okay, if cone's on my left,
you're over on the left side.
I got you.
Okay, so you're going to get to those cones. You don't want to be any closer than 3 feet, but the distance we're from the cones is really good. So we're driving all the way up to that cone, then you cross the track and go to green. Gotcha. You might be part way around the corner and then cross the track, but you're staying on that side of the track.
Okay.
We're going outside, inside, outside. So all the way to orange, then into green, 3 feet from green. As you drive by that green, you're either continuing around these big corners that this track has, which is kind of unique, or you're unwinding and accelerating to whatever's next. This car does have these unique corners where there are these long constant radius corners and you're maintaining a pace all the way around. Just set that wheel, set a speed, and just work the corner,
Gotcha.
It's a test track, so they've got these corners set up to test vehicle dynamics, but it makes a really fun racetrack as well.
Okay.
The putting all those cones together, you look down, you see the cones on your side, transition over, we lift at yellow, brake at red. We're slow enough, so we release the brake and drive 2 orange and around green, accelerate away from green. Just like driving on a country road, you got to slow down for the corner, drive it through the corner, and then continue on. We're headed out right now. We're going to follow these cars out. As we do that, we're going to create space between the cars, Dominic. We do allow passing though, so if you end up catching the car in front of us or the car behind us catches us, the front car tells the back car what to do for a pass. So if we have someone that we want, go ahead. If we want to let them by us, I'll tell you where to position the car and we'll then let them go around. During a pass, I'm going to have my hand on the wheel. You're still driving. Go on up to blue and pause here at blue. If we have a car that we end up catching, we'll get go ahead and head on out. We'll get direction from the instructor in that car to which side they want us to go around them. But we can't go around them until they tell us which side. Okay, go ahead and give it a whole bunch of gas here. Now I want you to test the brakes, hard in the brakes, and release. All right, so what I'm going to want is a good firm brake. We're going to brake most of that braking zone down in here. You're looking at orange. Okay, now look for the green out your window and bring it into green. We're going to use our vision to guide us around the track. So you're looking at orange, go for gas here, wait for orange, now come around the green. Add a little gas, bring it into green, and accelerate toward red. Now brakes, release around the green, up to yellow, lift, and a little brakes. Release. Come around the green cone, let the car track out. They see us. You may take a pass right now. Go ahead and take the pass. Stay on your side. Excellent. Just carry it. Don't add gas. Don't add gas. Bring it around. Now you can give it a little gas. Hold that speed. Don't add too much. We're right at the edge. It's still a little bit slick in here. Now you're working your way into my side. Coming all the way into the orange on my side. Stay in, stay in, stay in. Tap the brake and turn in. Easy. Bring it around the green. You can be wide at this one. That's okay. And then coming into the green. Hold it in. Don't add speed. and brakes. Release, bring it into green. Easy. Don't add yet. Now start adding and accelerate toward red. And little brakes and release. Now come into green. Now, I'm not sure if that car is going to take off or not. So we're just going to have to see what happens here. Go ahead and accelerate down track. All the way to yellow. And brakes. More brakes. More brakes. Lots more brakes. Good. More brakes. Look at orange. Now look at green. Bring it to green. Don't get too close to the edge. All the way up to orange. They'll see us coming. Give us a pass. Orange to green. Take the pass on your side. Accelerate toward red. Now brakes. Release. Come into green. And now some brakes. Release. Let the car track out toward the orange cones. Let it out. Let it out. A little bit of brakes. Stay wide at the first one, then bring it to the green. Maintain your speed. Don't add, just maintain. Up to orange. Mid-track here at the beginning. Stay on the gas, just maintain speed. Nice driving, Dominic.
Thank you.
We're going all the way to orange, so just stay on my side. All the way into orange. We're going to need a little brush of the brake and then turn in. Come around the green. Just maintain that pace. Staying on my side. Now little brakes. Look to green. Beautiful, beautiful. Accelerate toward orange. And all the way to red. The little brakes and release. And now come into the green. And accelerate all the way to yellow. Lots of brakes. You're looking at orange, but you're more brakes. And now look to green on your side. Bring it into that green cone. Let the car do a nice big arc as you work your way back to orange. And then carry that speed around green. Orange to green. Accelerate up to red. And some brakes. Release. Come around the green. Go back to gas. And brakes. Around that green. Out to orange. All the way out. Little brakes. You can stay wide here and then work your way to green. Just maintain that speed. All the way to orange. Carry that speed through the big carousel. Working your way to my side as we come around the corner. You got it. Stay into my side. Stay in, stay in, stay in. Little brakes and green. Nice. You got it. Work it, Dominic. Staying on the greens. Looking at orange. Little bit of brakes. Look out to green and bring it to green. Nice job. Easy. Now go. And a little bit of brakes. And bring it around to green. And then follow that flashing, the lead car with the flashing lights. Follow him into the pits. Nice drive, Dominic. Excellent job.
That was great.
That was fun. That was a really good drive, man. Very well done. And do you notice there's no supercars in front of you? Yeah, you passed them all. Good job, man.
Thank you.
Excellent drive.
Awesome.
Thanks for coming out with Xtreme today.
Thank you.